Okay, my name is Funmilola Awomuti. I work with Providence Bank and I'm in charge of the sustainability desk at Providence Bank. Well, for me, the entire session was mind-opening. I mean, you begin to realize that nothing is really waste. Everything has some form of value if we are intentional about thinking through, like they mentioned, from the design stage up until production utilization. You have to just put intentionality into it to understand that this thing still has use beyond the initial, function it was designed for. So I think for me that was very, very important. Yes, I mean, all of them did in their own right. They've done excellently well, thinking beyond, beyond just buying and selling or manufacturing, to say that this thing shouldn't just end as waste. Let's change its form. So for me, I'll give it to all of them. They all did well, outstandingly well. I mean, one thing that I also got is that there was the need to connect most of these organizations together. So as a financial institution that is all about economic development, and you have various customers coming to you, I think for my organization, we should be on the lookout to be able to connect those that need, to be in contact with those that need products from the circular procurement sector with those that really need it. Do you understand? Like financial intermediation, you say you are taking money from those that have it and they don't have an immediate need for it, to those who need it but they don't have the funds. So in the same way, you are taking this reusable materials in every form from those who are producing it now to those who need it, and just bringing everybody into that ecosystem that is profitable to the entire nation.